time when kingdoms fell like leaves in the wind, there lived a warrior who refused to fall. Years ago, Kale lived in a quiet village. He had a family, a home, a reason to smile. But one night, fire consumed it all. An enemy army swept through like a storm, leaving nothing behind but ashes and silence.
I will never be powerless again.
He trained in the cold. He fought through pain. Every scar became a reminder. Every failure became a lesson. Years passed, and the broken man became something else. Now, the same army that destroyed his life has returned. Stronger, bigger, ruthless. Villages tremble, soldiers hide. Hope.
One man? This is your hero?
Because he knows. Words don't win wars. The ground shakes, swords collide, arrows rain from the sky. Kale moves like a storm, fast, precise, unstoppable. One by one, enemies fall.
No, I'm the consequence.
You're just a man.
Because warriors like him don't fight for glory. They fight so others can live in peace.